With Starbricks, you can plan and optimize future workload in hours while also tracking actual worked hours, all in one system. Let's start with hour planning. Open the project's Gantt chart in hour planning mode. You can define the estimated workload for the entire project with a single number, or enter planned work hours per task. When tasks have planned start and end dates and the required competence is defined, Starbricks automatically suggests the right people, those who are available during the selected period. Availability calculations take weekends, public holidays, each person's daily work capacity, and hours already planned in other projects into account. In short, Starbricks helps you avoid overload before it happens. You can work with a fixed schedule, where Starbricks automatically distributes work hours across the selected time period. Or, you can let Starbricks create the schedule for you based on actual workload and real resource capacity. When we add more work hours to a task while keeping the same resource, we immediately see the schedule extend to Friday. When we add another person, the schedule automatically shortens. No guesswork. Just realistic planning, based on real availability. This is smart hour planning with Starbricks. With Starbricks, you can register worked hours on projects and tasks easily and flexibly. This can be done in multiple ways, even directly from your mobile phone. You can report hours without exact timestamps, or, if you prefer, specify exactly when the work started and ended. Let's begin with time reporting without timestamps. The most popular method is Starbricks' weekly hour reporting view. The view automatically lists all projects and tasks you are working on during the selected week. You enter hours and a short work description directly in the view. Simple. Hours can also be reported via the reporting window. You select the project and, if needed, the related task. Enter the number of hours and optionally a work description. And that's it. At the bottom, you immediately see how many hours have been reported for the day. If you want to report hours with timestamps, that's possible as well. You select the project or task and either start a timer or enter start and end times manually. Of course, you can also report hours directly within a project or task. Open the project, go to the completed hours view, and click Report More Hours. Starbricks adapts to how you work. The next step in time reporting is review and approval of reported hours. Starbricks supports this with a clear and easy-to-use feature. Employees see all their reported hours in a single view and can review, edit, add, or remove hours directly in the table. This approval table can also be used as the employee's primary time reporting view. Once the hours have been checked, they are submitted for approval with a single click. Starbricks automatically notifies the assigned checker by email, enabling them to begin the checking process immediately. When checking is completed, the system forwards the information to the final approver. If required, Starbricks can be configured to approve time reports without an intermediate checker. This keeps the entire process flowing smoothly, without unnecessary delays and without manual follow-up. Starbricks provides clear overviews of planned and actual work hours across projects. Here we see a summary of all projects within the organization. You can also review and print this information in clear and easy-to-read charts. You can choose to display hours for a single employee, multiple people, or the entire organization. Hours can be shown in separate charts or together in a single view. In this example, we see Sebastian Muller's planned work hours for the selected time period. Alongside the planned hours, actual hours can also be displayed, side by side, in a clear and comparable format. This allows you to see at a glance how planning aligns with real work. Additionally, hours can be printed in flexible, list-based reports for different needs, such as invoice attachments. Hours are easy to print on paper, save as PDF, or export to Excel. Starbricks makes time tracking transparent, easy to understand, and simple to report.